Week 30, day 4 of the Designorama. This is all about inline validation, and oftentimes when you'll see this, it will be related to web forms specifically, or forms in general. And what you try to do with inline validation is provide success correction error information relative to a very specific interaction someone's having, whether it's a toggle button that moves into an invalid configuration given other information around it, or whether it is text that's entered that doesn't meet a format, such as a phone number or a date. Text length that's too long. What does it look like for someone to have 200 characters to enter and tries to enter 201, 202, 203 or more? There are a number of different areas where you can look at inline validation. And the challenge here is really just to think about those. Use copy, color, iconography to guide the user when they've reached those bounds, or to warn them that they are reaching those bounds, or to even give them the context ahead of time so that they do not reach those bounds. And one of the fun aspects of good UI design is to allow people the freedom to do what they want, but not allow them, or I should say make it so that they don't make mistakes. They don't need this. But there's always typically a need for this. So your output would be a redesigned form with inline validation feedback. I would say this may be just an opportunity to explore a number of different controls from the perspective of developing componentized UI elements, so that you could build a form and explore those states, and then maybe build a miniature form to support that. But definitely a little bit of flexibility here, especially if you have a specific project you like to work on. Otherwise, it may be a little bit more on the academic side, where you're just building components and how they have these different states, and then trying to string them together to show how they might work. Regardless, fun exercise, and I will see you on day 5.